In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A, and let me show you how to activate battery percentage and status bar on this device. So first of all, you need to open the list of all apps, go to the settings then and mark notifications. Here you will notice status bar, and now you can unmark or mark battery percentage. So if you will mark it, it will be visible here, and once the indicator is not active, then it is hidden, so you can only see the icon with no particular level of battery. And I will stay with the indicator active because I think it's super useful. And that would be all. So you can activate battery percentage and status bar in your Samsung Galaxy Tab A. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.